What's up, guys? This is Nerd Video. Today it's Easter, and happy Easter to all of you guys. And I'm gonna show you how to make a fidget toy. So first, let me put this. So these is what you need the pieces for. 2 of these. And they can be any kind, and then 2 of the whales, and then 2 of these, and then 1 of this, and then 9 of this. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you how to build them right now. Okay, so first, just going to put this, going to bring this in here, and then you're going to bring the other one, put it in here. Upside down. And then the other one, you got both of them. Now you're going to put this one in here. Okay. And the other one. Oh, where did my other wheel go? Hold on, guys. Oh, it's right here. Okay. And then you're going to put it in here. Okay. And then after, you're going to put this thing right here. Going to put this thing right here through it, and then after you can put both on this. And then it should be like, hold on, I messed up. And then you guys are going to do this. So yeah, and then you can spin it and all that stuff. Yeah, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys there. Peace.